Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Wi-Fi UAV app. First, download the correct application from your device's app store, ensuring it matches your drone model. Next, fully charge your drone's battery and insert it securely. Power on your drone and wait for its Wi-Fi signal to activate. Finally, connect your smartphone or tablet to the drone's Wi-Fi network, typically named after your drone or manufacturer. Always refer to your drone's manual for specific connection details and app names. Once connected, open the app to see the live video feed from your drone. Familiarize yourself with the virtual control sticks and buttons. You'll find one-key takeoff and landing options for easy starts and finishes. Practice basic movements like ascending, descending, and moving forward, backward, left, and right. Adjust the flight sensitivity settings, usually found in the Apps menu, to achieve smoother and more precise control as you become more comfortable with flying. Now, let's explore some advanced features. Many apps offer headless mode, simplifying orientation, and altitude hold for stable hovering. You can also capture stunning photos and record high-definition videos directly through the app, saving them to your device. Don't forget to calibrate your drone's gyroscope and compass periodically for optimal flight stability. Some apps even allow you to set custom flight paths or geofence boundaries, keeping your drone within a safe, designated area. Finally, let's cover troubleshooting and best practices. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your drone and your smart device. Always fly in open areas, away from trees, power lines, and other potential interference sources, maintaining a clear line of sight with your drone. Regularly check for app updates to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Remember, responsible flying ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.